Tomorrow if we do
Yeah,
karaoke and go out.
I have fun
This
with
little
you.
gal can't go. She loves Brooke. She idolizes Brooke. In fact, on their walk today,
her.
What is your name?
I didn't even worry about it.
She's a name for you.
What is my name?
Yes.
Oh, what is your name? My name is Grandma Jackie, or Aunt Jackie, or Jackie Williams.
And who are you related to?
Everyone in here.
Oh, we already know that.
I'm the oldest person here. How's that?
Other than
I'm the
Grandpa
grand
Glenn.
matriarch.
Are you?
Oh, yes.
Really?
Well, since Aunt Joan died, I am.
In 2003,
And
sadly.
just in there, they were telling me I was the oldest person in here.
Isn't Glenn? Uncle Glenn's older
Here
though.
I am. I'm going to be 74 this
You're
year.
Uncle Glenn is older, isn't he?
I have also warned everybody.
No longer secretly.
Nope. I have warned everybody I am living to be 100 years old.
Okay, good. You'll see my children.
So you're all going to take care of me, and I want a
Yes.
big birthday party on my 100th. How's
Yeah,
that?
definitely.
Wheel you down to the beach.
I'm
You're
not
like, I
wheeling.
want to go on the
I
beach.
have-
Put me on a tube.
You will
I want
not
to go
wheel
on a
me.
tube.
You will not wheel me. I'll be out there and showing you how to do it.
All right.
That's
There
enough.
it is. We put it down
Really?
on the record books in 2009.
Okay, interview your
No,
father.
I just got through telling them.
Hello.
And they said I probably will.
What is your name,
What is your
sir?
name?
My name's
Papa.
Scott Kendall.
And who are you
Uncle
related?
Scott, cousin Scott.
Dad Scott.
Related
And
to
a daddy.
the Kendalls,
Oh,
the Greens, the Williams.
no, I mean like who's your dad?
My dad is Walter Kendall.
And who's your mom?
Trish.
Although she's not a Kendall.
Yeah, she's Kendall. Trish Kendall.
I mean she's married into the Kendall family, but yeah.
Takes after her daddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you taught her this, right? Oh, what do you mean,
Now
Scott?
let's-
She takes after
now
you.
let's-
Come on. The video and stuff.
Hey, don't shake the camera.
She's got her own talent.
I love her.
Now
She's
that-
such a good girl. You did a good
Now
job,
let's
Scott.
come in the house and interview these.
I already interviewed those three. I haven't interviewed the one in the striped shirt.
I'm in the city a lot.
I'm either in Los
Do you know where some
Angeles or
Toothpicks?
I don't have my
Where's Grandpa?
If you ever need a place to crash, I walk her over.
Now let's come over here.
Hold on.
I know.